My professional background is in the hotels, resorts, and real estate business, particularly in rentals and leasing. This makes it easy for me to understand how there's money in this type of business. Then recently, I learned about REIT, which is Real Estate Investment Trust, a form of investment through rentals on income generating real estate assets like shopping centers, apartment buildings, office spaces, warehouses, hospitals, medical facilities, resorts, hotels, and more, where you can receive dividends regularly from their profits without buying a real estate property. Yes, I don't need to have my own property to earn from rentals. Companies available for REIT are publicly listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange and are required to sell at least one-third of their capital stock to the public. As a share investor, dividend returns are derived from rental income. By law, they are required to distribute 90% of their income quarterly. Yes, and I like that, to receive quarterly income. Another form of income from this is the stock price increase. More importantly, REITs carry lower risk compared to other form of investment. REIT is an available form of investment to Filipinos, resident foreigners, and corporation in the Philippines. What are the companies available for REIT and where to find the track record of these companies? Let's go to Instagrams.com. There are 8 on the list. To see its profile, let's select the first one. Then click Chart. The chart shows the capital price. Going up means the price of the stock is appreciating. When you scroll down, you will see more information about the company and the type of properties that are generating rental income for them and for their REIT investors. Going back to the top of the page, select Fundamentals. Here, you will see statistics and data of their performance. More importantly, the history of their dividend payout and the rates. You can do the same looking at all the 8 companies available for REIT. Since I have decided I would like to try this, I went to Philippine Stock Exchange's website to see the available stockbrokers. Select Trading, then Online Brokers. Here you will find all the registered online brokers. Then I went to Market Information. I selected Broker Ranking. The ranks change from time to time daily, depending on the respective agency's daily transactions. We would like to select brokers with good volume because it means they have a good amount of buyers and sellers. I initially signed up with Call Financial because of the endorsement of an online personality, even before learning about REIT. This seemed to be the most popular choice. After my registration and personal documents were approved, I was required to make a deposit before I could log in. I did not like the manner of their communication. I find it somewhat discourteous and questionable. They were already spamming me by continuously sending emails and text messages for me to make a deposit. Everything is to be done online, and I did not feel secure, so I decided to discontinue. Then I saw China Bank Securities. This is backed by China Bank. I went to the bank itself and was told I have to register online, but I have to submit my documents on site for approval. I find that too troublesome. After selecting and checking more reviews of other brokers, I decided to register with First Metro Securities since it's backed up by Metrobank. I also found good reviews that their platform is friendly to use and all requirements can be submitted online. So I decided to sign up on their website. I just filled out the form of all the information that's required. I received the approval and they provided me my account number. So the next step is to make a deposit. Their deposit requirement is 1,000 only. But I learned about the 8K rule, saying it's more cost efficient to use at least 8K when investing. Do not lose money because of processing fees. I decided to round up my deposit to 10,000 and did this through online banking. My next step is to study and decide which REIT companies to place my investment. So that's it. I hope this video helped to provide you with a simple walkthrough on investing in REIT.